Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick haul to share with you. Today I have some crafty stuff from Amazon. So let me just get into it. I didn't open it yet, guys, so sorry. Alright. It's a bunch of dies. You all probably know what dies they are. I'm a little behind, but I'm making up for it. Forget what I'm saying. So you can see here, it's a bunch of KS Craft dies. I did buy them all from Amazon. So let me just get a little organized. I love it when Amazon throws in the peel for the seal of the envelope. All right. I don't know when and where, what collections they are, but I did pick up a snowman, and this one comes with a face, and I think he could be a shaker. So yeah, they're not new. I'm just, adding them to my stash. This is the Cinderella carriage, so I picked that up. This one is the... is this Happy Mail? Let me see. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what these words are. Pen Pal, and yeah, I guess this is the recent add-on. Oh gosh, what does that say? Open Me. Oh my gosh. Pen Pal, Open Me, and Paper Hugs, Happy Mail, and Snail Mail. All right, so that's what this one is. And it says Happy Mail, duh. Okay. I did get the hearts, and then I also picked up the little keyholes, like that one right there. I picked up the summer embossing banner, so finally I have the layering piece for the flag. So this is the summer edition. This one is the Valentine's little embossed DIY paper banner. I don't know. I don't know what else to call it. This is the new Valentine's. I don't remember what this one is. Let me see. February, and I don't know what the other word is. I have to cut it out. Cute, babe, and girl gang. Cute. I got the cherries. Christmas. These are the Christmas words I missed out on. This chocolate box. I finally picked that up. I'm going to have fun with that. I did grab the Santa mini album. I've got the... Oh, this is the Christmas. I think I have this one. I'm not sure. And then I also picked up the straw. So this you could use on your straw. But this is Christmas. Also, the little pennants. And then the last thing I have is the face stamps. I ordered another set, but this is the one that's come in. Looks like that. So yeah, there should be more coming in. So this is just what came in today. So yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of my haul. Hopefully, hopefully soon. So if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I load a new video or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.